What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. So today is game day, Hyrox Abu Dhabi na. So on the way na kami sa venue. And so yun, let's see how it goes. And syempre doon sa mga haters ng Hyrox, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Sabi nila paulit-ulit lang daw yung mga exercises and yung mga stations sa Hyrox. Unlike CrossFit na every CrossFit games, iba-ibang exercises. Okay, so they designed Hyrox, syempre, para sa lahat. Yung kayang gawin ng lahat. So which is a good thing. So, parang ano lang din naman yan, parang running, di ba? So, palaging merong 5K, 10K, marathon, full marathon. Same with triathlon, same thing din naman yung ginagawa, di ba? Run, bike, swim, and kahit naman sa bodybuilding, men's physique, mandatory poses sa bodybuilding, 7 lang yan. Tapos sa men's physique dati, 4 quarter turns, ngayon, 2 na lang. So, ayun. So, sana, maging masaya na lang tayo. And as long as nagiging healthy tayo and meron tayong ginagawa for our health, na maganda, mabuti yun, di ba? So, ayun. Anyway, see you na lang sa venue. Let's go.
better watch out if your enemy's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows me, and he gets caught real big, pissed off quick. And if you cross him, you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the score, never getting bored. Loves of blood and gold, always wanting more freedom from the source. They don't really listen until they feel it for the party. And if you start shit, you be heartless in the darkness. Torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
So ayun guys, natapos na namin yung Hyrox debut namin for Team Relay. And kakabalik lang din namin ng Dubai. It's 2:38 in the morning na. So late na talaga kasi late na rin kami nag-start. And syempre kumain pa, tapos biyahe pa pabalik. So pagod na talaga. But anyway, sobrang masaya naman kami dun sa naging result ng race. So we finished the race at 1:16 and 44. So ang target talaga namin na time is mabit namin yung sa simulation na which is 1:18. And nagawa naman namin yon. And feeling namin we can do better pa next time. And syempre, for now, syempre, first race pa lang namin. And ngayon pa lang namin nagagamay yung kung paano ba yung talagang galawan pagdating na sa race. And okay naman yung naging result. Masaya na kami doon. And we placed top 10 overall sa men's division ng Team Relay. And we placed top 9 dun sa age group na under 40. Okay, so goal met naman. And for sure, we can improve sa next race. And ayun nga, nakaka-excite. And hindi ko alam kung makakatulog ako ngayon kasi talagang iniisip ko pa rin kung ano yung mga dapat namin i-improve for the next race. And so far, I think alam na namin yung dapat gawin. So yun, thanks guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. God bless.